All right, hey there everybody, welcome to this video. We're going to be reviewing a trampoline today, a 7-foot trampoline. If you've got kiddos and are looking for a great indoor or outdoor trampoline, hopefully this video can help you out. I'll be doing a basic review, but also showing you how to put it together because the instructions, to be honest, aren't that great. I'm going to pop a link in the description below if you would like to pick one up yourself, or if you want more details on the instructions, check that out. But here it is right out of the box. Everything is wrapped pretty well and separated really well. No damage or anything like that. Now the clear or the base metal, not the blue stuff, but the metal right there, those pieces are, they do have this like oily residue. So definitely before you put it down onto the carpet or pick it up, put some gloves on. You can see I've got some on right there. So to put this base together, we're going to take the 3 blue U-shaped pieces and attach them to these little Y-shaped pieces. There's one Y-shaped there. And then there's some rounded, there's 6 of them rounded kind of poles that have the holes. You're going to put the holes up and you're going to create them just like this. Everything dry fits in, so no screws at this point. So you want it to just look like that. Next, we're going to take these 6 vertical posts, slide them down the hole first, and the hole should align into those little Y-shaped or the little T-shaped pieces. Next, we're going to take 6 provided screws, and we're going to put a washer. There are 12 washers. We'll put 1 washer on first. So each screw takes 2 washers. Watch this. 1 washer on the screw. Align that a little bit. Put the second washer on the other side. And then we're going to take an anti-slip washer and put it on top of that. And then we're going to tighten it up with a cap nut. It does provide a screwdriver and a wrench. So using 2 hands, I've got one here, you can see holding the camera, but we're going to tighten that down with the screwdriver on the other side to get things nice and firm. That anti-slip nut should be parallel with each other. Next, we'll take the trampoline mat itself and unfold it and lay it out in between the frame. And we're going to be looking for these elastic corners. See that elastic right there? There's one on each corner. Just slide it over that pole for the moment. That'll hold things kind of in place and get things stretched out. Next, we're going to take the blue kind of foam right there and kind of push it forward as we install these springs. These are the tension springs. So watch how I do this. We're going to clip those on. The R-shaped part of the spring is going to clip on to the little hook that's on the underside of the trampoline itself. There we go. And you want the other hook then to be facing downward because we're going to slide it into those little slots in the metal frame. So watch this. It's got this little tool. You just click, kind of grab onto it, onto the edge or the end. It's really easy. And you'll just pull it until it slips, the edge slips into that little hole just like that. Super easy to do. However, as you continue, it does get more difficult. So the instructions specifically say you want to do this in a special pattern. So you'll start with 0. The first one is just label it arbitrarily 0. And then you're going to basically install all the corners first in opposite directions. It's kind of like lug nuts on a car tire. If you've ever changed a car tire, you don't want to tighten them all up in a row. You want to do it alternating, so that complete opposite side. So do all the corners first, and then you're going to skip every 3. So again, follow the instructions. They do explain this part, I think, pretty well. Just basically remember, put 1 on and then go to the opposite side of the trampoline to put the other one on. That helps to create a nice balanced tension with all of your springs. Okay, so that's the underside there. You just saw everything. All 35 of them should be set up. Next, we're going to take these 3 round parts and put the foam through them, and you'll basically be assembling the vertical frame. There are 3 giant loops that you're going to be making. They should all look like this. There are 6 provided screws that hold in the top part of the frame. So go ahead and secure those. And then the last step is to drop down your safety net. Really easy to do. There are 3 vertical loops, as I said. So you'll wrap the net around there's 3 parts for the net. So really easy to do. Can't mess that up. And then go ahead and pull it all the way down and tie it, maybe a double knot, onto the frame itself. This is the final product assembled. And how does it hold up with 1 or 2 kids? Let's check it out. You can see here, looks really sturdy. Got a 3-year-old and a 6-year-old. This is the 3-year-old bouncing on it, so barely even phases him, or phases the trampoline, I should say, and then the 6-year-old in there as well. We opted for the 7-foot one, plenty of space and durability. Look at that frame, doesn't move at all, so really nice.